Because the moment you put the word perfect in any statement, you are setting yourself up for failure. There are really such moments wherein you have to make a mistake to learn it. Nagigets nyo? I want you guys to get this. The more pressured you are, the more you will make a mistake. The more prone you are into making a mistake. Kasi ingat na ingat ka eh. Nung pinagalitan ko kanina, isa lang sinabi ko, pumirme ka. Sometimes, you know what wisdom will teach you? Timing. Know when to be bida-bida and know when to stand down. Are we clear? Kasi first time mong inexperience eh. So sometimes talagang you gotta go through it. You gotta get into the extreme of being bida-bida and people are annoyed at you and you have to say, I'm sorry, I will stand down for you to actually learn the difference between the two. So can you perfectly do it? And the lessons are all inside when you don't do it perfectly. Kasi kung perfect mo siyang ginawa, wala ka natutunan. Nagigets nyo? Huwag masyadong takot sa pagkakamali. Ganun talaga. Kailan lang nakakapikon? Tanong nyo sa akin kung kailan. Number one, kung yung pagkakamali mo ay isang pagkakamaling dapat hindi ka nagkamali.